coffee, sit back and relax as we create something new with my crafting crew. Monty Python, my crafting king. Pudgy, my little crafting queen. Tink, my chaos coordinator. And sassy Miss Peaches too.
We have Happy Mail. The first thing I got, and it's all from DAC, is a single placer. I needed another one for a pen that I have coming. And the first canvas we have is the cat. I love the cat. He's so cute. So let's open it up. Take a look at the canvas. First off, we have a toolkit that has your pen. And with the pen, you just take the cap off, twist it until you see the wax start to come up in the end, and then you're ready to go. And it has a 4-placer on the end. We also have baggies, if you use baggies. A little bit of wax to refill your pen. And it comes with red wax if you prefer that. And then a 7-placer. And of course the tray. So that's our toolkit. Next up, we have a card. The cat. And it's a bronze. But it's so cute. And here is the colors. Oh, this way. We only have 3 colors. The most is of the white. And then we have red and black also. It's a little baby. All right, let's pull this back and lay it back down so it'll lay flatter so we can take a look at it. And this one is a Little Diamonds by Diamond Art Club. It is 22.8 centimeters by 22.8 centimeters. It does have a legend on the side and on the top. It's got a little thumbnail. And down here, it's got the name of the canvas, who it's by, which is Dr. Seuss, of course. And then it has their socials here. So that is going to be adorable. So let's pack that back up. And we'll take a look at our other canvas. So the warranty card comes with it, but that's in case you bought it off of Amazon. You'll need to register it, but since we didn't buy it off of Amazon, we won't need to register it. It'll already be registered in our account. And I'm not going to put the toolkit back in. I'm just going to put the canvas, the drills, and the stickers. Everything else I'll leave out. All right, so the next canvas we have is So Close, Yet So Far. And that's by Luibka. I was so excited to get this because Luibkas always sell out so quickly. And again, we have a toolkit. The only difference between this toolkit and the first one is that the tray is a little bit bigger. So we're not going to take a look at that again. All right. And our card is a bronze, but it's a cute one. So adorable. All right. Well, sometimes it's hard to find where they open. All right. So I'm going to roll this back so it'll lay flatter. Meanwhile, oh my, that's a lot of 5200s. Woohoo! A lot of 5200s. Wow. It's definitely Christmassy colors though. Look at that pack. All the greens and the reds, the whites, and even some pinks. All right, so let's take a look at this canvas. Oh my goodness, look at that. Isn't that adorable? All right, so we have 30 colors, and we have 2 ABs, 2 fairy dust, and it looks like we have 1 special. Let's see if we can find the special. I'm not seeing it, but I'm sure it's in here somewhere. Oh, there it is. So it looks like it's a quad. And that looks like it's going to be in the tree. All these little snowflake looking ones are right here. 98, 98. Those are the quad cubes. So that is going to be pretty. I'm going to have to add a little more sparkle to them. But we have up here the logo, Do What Makes You Sparkle. We have a legend on this side as well as on the bottom. The name of the canvas down here along with the artist, and then we have all their socials here. So this one is going to be 55.8 by 78.7. We might have to add some more sparkle in up here. Although they have some ABs in it, but they don't have a lot. But snow sparkles in the sunlight. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and until next time, happy diamond painting. The on-track guy was just back again for another round. So this round, I got an 8-tip placer, so a multi-placer, and I got Imposter Ducks by Art by Julia. So let's open it up and see what we have. And we have a toolkit. I won't go through that again. It's one of the bigger ones. And it's a bronze, but it's pretty. And then we have our sticker sheets. So a lot of people use these to put into their journals. And here's our colors. We have 47 colors, and of those 47, 2 are ABs and 3 are fairy dust. So let's get this canvas out of here and see what it looks like. So here's our package of drills. Ooh, it's got a pretty blue AB in there, I see. Very pretty though. Nice color palette with the purples and blues and pinks. And then it's got a lot of the fairy dust here. Tan colored fairy dust. All right. So let's roll this the other way. So we can flatten it out a little bit. So we can take a look at it. So down here on the bottom we have a little thumbnail. And we have the information about the kit. So it's Imposter Duck and it's 23.6 by 33.1 or 60 centimeters by 83.9 centimeters. And it's art by Julia. And it is a Diamond Art Club. And here's their socials. And we have the legend on this side in the bottom, and then we have it in the upper right hand corner too. And then there's their logo, do what makes you sparkle. And it's sticky. But until we lay drills on it, we won't know for sure whether it's good or not. Boy, that's a lot of blues, isn't it? It's very cute though. Let's see if we can pick out some of where these specials go. All right, so the tan colored fairy dust is all this in here. All this in here, some in here. And then it's dotted throughout the tub. All right, and let's see. The next one is a green, and that's all down in here in the greenery and up in here in the greenery. And then the next one is a yellow, and it's represented by a flower, and that's here and here. Looks like some in here and here and here. And then we have, it's like 5200, an AB 5200, and you'll see little dots of it throughout here just to highlight, and some in here to highlight. And then let's see if we can find the last one, and it looks like it's going to be blue, and there's some in here. There's a little bit up here in the flag here, like right in here and here and here and here. Let's see what else we see. Do we see it anywhere else? A little bit down in here to highlight. A little down in here. And that is all I see of it. But this one's a pretty big one. Pretty big one, but aren't the ducks cute? Lots of ducks in this picture. I see 7 of the white ducks, and of course we got to count the rubber ducky, the little yellow rubber ducky. My kids I still have my rubber ducky from my kids. I have 2 of them actually, one from my daughter, one from my son. And I treasure them. I remember happy memories with those rubber duckies. But anyway, I think that's all for today. I don't think the On Track guy will be back again, I hope. But if he is, I'll do a little more unboxing before I post this. But in the meantime, happy diamond painting.
Here it comes again. Happy mail arriving from my favorite crafting places. New drills, new trays, new canvases to start. Diamond painted magic shining straight from the heart.